Welcome back to another episode of What We're Bodging. Been a while since the last one, but I've been a bit busy. So if you watched the 2003 recap, you just saw that I had a list of projects and I wasn't going to get no more. But as it happens, I got donated this. So it's obviously a Kyosho, but I wasn't too sure what it actually was, as I don't know that much about them. The only other Kyoshos I've got is the EP Alpha 206, and that's a nitro, which is going to be converted to electric. So I asked over at RC Legends and Glenn Barkley off Tamiya Legends. I identified it as a mid, but it's also got a laser body on it. It came with a few spares and also a few bits missing, so the belt's been removed, so it's now rear wheel drive only. So the front bumper will need replacing, and we'll have a full strip down and see what's going on with that, try and restore it, turn that into another little project. So the other thing I've been playing about with this month is some clear resin for the Hallet 1 printer to make some lenses for the 3D printed light pod, which there's not a lot of room in the back there for batteries or anything. So that's what we got. So a bit tight, as you can see, but once fitted, lights up. We've got magnets mounted on the back. There we go. I've also been playing about trying a few different colours for the calipers, as I'm hoping to start selling them pre-painted. I've had a few messages asking for them in certain colours. So we've got red, white, Tamiya TS21 I believe, metallic blue, and a metallic blue over grey primer. Links for the caliper kits will be in the description. Let me know in the comment section what colour are your calipers, or what colour calipers would you have on your car. I've also ended up painting a couple of the sets of wheels that are designed and printed. So here we got the Speedline 434s. Perfect for a Peugeot. We've also got a set of Team Dynamic Pro Race 1.2s set on the Escort Cosworth. Last but not least, we got the Subaru Brat project. Haven't got very far with this, other than we've now got some rear suspension, as I've fitted some TTO1 or TTO2 rear shocks. Front's still a little tight, need to sort that out. We've got some suspension in the rear now. Still haven't decided on paint scheme, livery or anything like that. Feel free to let me know in the comments if you've got any ideas. I'm hoping to try and make these videos every month, just a little recap of all the little odds and sods that I've been messing about with, printing various things and little modifications, but there'll be more in-depth videos like the next Subaru Brat video and the rest of the projects. But hopefully see you in the next one.